How about some tips and tricks on needle felted hands today? In this short but sweet video today, we're going to talk about some armature needle felted hands. So that way you can bend them and pose them or they can hold things. I like to use 18 gauge wire to make my hands. 18 gauge is a very sturdy wire for my hands for the dolls that I make, which range in the sizes of 12 to 16 inches. I vary the lengths from 4 inches to 3.5 inches to even 3.25 inch. I do that to help attach the hand to an armature, which you will see later. These will become the fingers. By creating this bend and pinching it shut, as you can see, helps put the fiber all the way to the end, the very tip of the finger. I refer to my fingers as little sausages because they're kind of lumpy, misshapen a bit, but that's okay. This is where your own hand comes handy because you can see how your fingers are aligned on your hand to line up your fingers for your hand that you're going to make. Now you just simply twist the fingers together while being mindful of which finger you're going to use for, say, your index finger or your middle finger, and align them in the proper place. Now, of course, the thumb is much further down on the hand when it comes to placement. It's time to start filling out the bulk of the rest of the hand. Hands are a little bit frustrating for many people. They are frustrating for me. I often want to throw them against the wall, but I give myself grace on that. I don't fret so much about what the hands actually look like. I worry more about what they can do. I want them to hold things, and I think a lot of folks really like that aspect of the hand holding something. I often make props for all of my dolls, so my dolls being able to have a sturdy hand that will hold whatever object I need them to hold is just a fabulous thing for me. So either way, I guess what I'm trying to say is if your hands are not fabulous either, it's okay. Maybe they just have a purpose, right? Or if you do want your hands to be fabulous, that's absolutely fine too. So you see, we have bulked out this hand and plumped it up, and it looks more like a real hand now. Okay, I'm about to let you in on a little secret here. This is PVA glue mixed with water or fabric stiffener with water. This serves as two purposes here. One, to keep the fiber on the hand and not coming off, not fluffing off, and also to strengthen the hand. When you squeeze the hand like this, it allows the excess to come off, but also to soak through all of the fiber. I repeat this process at least twice, sometimes 3, but I also allow the hand to dry before each time I apply the stiffener. And make sure you don't forget to get in between the fingers. I simply stick in the mat and let it dry. Well, apparently this bunny is sacrificed itself as tribute to have a hand attached to its leg. Yes, that's another good use for unfinished work, is to do experiments on. So now that you have inserted it through the loop, you're going to wrap the wire around the wire to attach. Try to press down the wires with a pair of pliers and then put floral tape around the wire. The floral tape will secure the attachment to the armature. Ta-da! You did it! You made some strong, sturdy hands for your dolls. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.